Yeah, they're still talking shit on the Facebook.
Yeah, so she's right.
All right, so I'm here gonna rescue a cat. Aha, there's his face. Right there. Okay. He's halfway in between the fence. His face is right there. At this point in time, I don't think I can net him. Okay. He's on the other side, and I don't want to drag him out. But I might have to do that. Here we go. Here we go.
There's poop right there. Be careful.
Oh, I don't. Okay. So, my goal is to just grab him by the head.
Okay.
Okay? I do not like to net feral cats with broken limbs. It's extremely painful. And anybody who follows me, this is what the net looks like. And he's not in a position to where I can net him. Clearly, I always state, nobody do this without extreme experience. He can still bite me through the towel, but it is what it is. Can you block him from pushing out with your foot? Just don't, that's it, that's good. That's good. And there's a nail right there. There's a young cat. Okay. Oh dear God.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna want you to record this so I can take it to the shelter to clearly see the condition of the cat. All right. All right, he's been like this for some time. All right, you can end.